Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Nicotech Solution. I'm going to take you through. I'm going to take you through a very complicated and a very simple exercise here, whereby we are going to link our charts in Excel with PowerPoint presentation. Remember, this is PowerPoint presentation, and we want to automate the charts in PowerPoint by linking with those in Excel. So this is very simple. Kindly keep watching and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share for more updates. Thank you so much. Let's get to the exercise. Now, I have a sample data here. This is the sample data that I have, and I want to convert it into a chart. So what I do, I'll just select the data here, and then I'll come to insert. Let's pick any chart here. I'll pick that chart here. So this is my chart here. So what I want is, I want the same chart to be pasted, or rather to reflect in PowerPoint. But now if I make any change in Excel, it should reflect automatically without manually typing the chart in in PowerPoint. So what we do? What we do, we just copy the chart in Excel. We copy the chart in Excel, and then we come here to PowerPoint. Then we click there, and then we copy paste. But now what we want to paste is the link. We want to link the Excel against the PowerPoint. So we pick the Microsoft Excel charts object, and then we say just okay. Now we come and paste what we call the chart. We've done that. Already the chart here is linked with Excel. So what do? Let's see an example here. Now, for example, here I had 500, or for example, I have one here. Let me put 1000. You see what is doing there. It is behaving very well. Let's put here 1900. See the changes. Excellent. So that is one of the very simple thing to do, and as simple as that. So thank you so much, guys. Love you so much. Kindly like my YouTube channel. Let's grow. Let's educate one another. Bye bye.